Okay. Now I'm going to explain about the special fee. To create a special fee, you need to go to fee head types. Then you need to create a special fee type tour one, or else you can write daily tour. Okay, you can write daily tour description also. And type, click on save. After that, you need to go to manage fee setup. You need to click on special fee. Then select academic year, class. Then I'm going to select it for a section only. If you want to create for whole school same amount, then you can create. Now I'm going to turn one amount 1000 due date. You can take any date, whichever is relevant to you. But generally, the tour fees, this kind of fees will be same for whole school. Then you can select all classes, all section, and click on save. Then you need to map with the student. To map with the student, you need to go to accounts, manage special fee, delete tour I'm selecting. Then there are one student. There is only one student, because of that I'm selecting only one student. If there are so many students, then we can search and we can select. Once you click on assign selected, then the person will come here. Okay. Now if I go to fee collection, I can see the special fees is mapped to a student. And if you want to collect, you can collect the amount. Just you need to provide the, if there is any discount, generally we don't give discount. Then on the pay amount, what amount paid and date, then cash, providing all these three details, then you click on save. Once you click on save, you will get the receipt.